Okay, so I'm doing a primary spelling inventory, first grade. So fan, he got correct. He got the F, the N, and the A. Pet, P, T, and E. This one is a reversal, so I'm going to note that it is reversed, but it still counts as correct. And then he put an E instead of an I, so I'm going to write that down here, that he put an E. Robe, he got the initial, he got the N, and he put an A instead of the O. Hope, he did correct, and then over here he did the O consonant E, so that's way over here in common long vowels. And then, oh, I forgot, if they spell it correctly, you put it, the point in word spelled correctly. So that one you got, this one, and this one. Weight, I'm going to say that's probably W. Looks like it's on top of the M, so I'll count it. And the T he got, he did a long A, but it wasn't AI, so I'm going to write a consonant E in that column. Gum is correct, so then I will put a point in word spelled correctly. Sled is correct. Stick, we have the ST blend, but he put E for I, and the C is not even counted on this line. And these kind of taper off once we know you have a good idea of consonants, then it tapers off. We don't have to keep doing it for each word. Shine, got that digraph, and that IE, that's correct. Got the DR, and he put E consonant E. Blade, he got that, did a short A, so I'll just write the A. Let's see. Did not get the CH, put a C. I don't even really know what that says. I'm just going to write an A there. Just like an A and an I, maybe? For fright, put the F instead of the blend. And then I, constant E, so that's a good miscue, but he's using pattern, just the wrong one. Just got the C. Put OO instead of EW, so that's a good miscue also. Let's see, crawl, got the CR blend, the O instead of AW. He did get the SH for wishes, and he did get the ES. So he got both points for this, even though it's really not look very wrong, but he did get the two things it's asking for, so we got the points for those. Thorn, got the TH, I'm pretty sure that's an R, so OR, he got it, just not the bonus point for getting it right. Shouted, just put the S, just the O instead of OU, and just the D for ED. Spoil, we're not counting the SP, but he did get it right. And he got the OI, but he's going to get the point because he did spell it all correctly. Got the OW, got the TH, just put an R instead of IR. For camped, just put a T for the ED, so no points there. Tries, got the TR, alright, then he did ISE. Clapping, he did not get the double P, so no points. And writing, he put TING for that. So then I'm going to add up, he got all 7 there. All 7 for the final, 1, 2, 3, 4 for short vowels. That already tells me that's Roman land, but I'll keep grading here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1. It's a really interesting one because he got, once you get more than 2 or more wrong, then you're going to stop before it. So kind of draw the line up. He's going to be in the early letter name alphabetic, which is the red one, so he's going to be near the beginning of the red book. He got the E right, but he got it wrong twice. He thought I's are E. So I would go ahead and start at the beginning of short vowels. Maybe skip the A if that's the first sort, and then put in after those. I always ignore this column because it's the same thing here. You're just putting the feature points, putting 3 here. It's kind of a waste of time, I feel like. So I just add it up here, but I do add up the words spelled correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 26. So we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 28, 29, 30, 34 out of 56. And so the word spelled correctly up here is 7 from here. The 34 here goes into feature points, and you can add all that up and then write out what stage they're at. It's not totally necessary. I'd probably make sure I put the date. But this more is probably if you want to do something, maybe like your SLO and show growth. But the main thing is knowing which group they're in. So if you want to skip some of these things, that's okay.